Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. So after tapping on it, you should have this section. So let's simply tap on the language, and as you can see in my case I've got two different languages, but let's add another one. So we have to tap on Add Language, and there we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. If you cannot find your language in this list, no worries, because as you can see they are suggested by Samsung. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon and tap on All Languages, and as you can see the list of the languages will be much more rich in the languages. Let's simply find your language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe French. Just tap and choose the region. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to set newly chosen language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, the French language will immediately appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added to this list, like in my case, I've got 3 of them, all you have to do in order to change the language is to tap on the language you'd like to apply. So let me choose English again and just tap on Apply. And as you can see right now, the English is at the top of the list and the whole system is displayed in English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the languages you want to remove. Here you can also reorder them and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.